The test house was built using fairly conventional construction techniques such as a steel frame and cladding, cellulose cement in flooring and lining details, and fiberglass insulation in the walls, floor and ceiling to act as a flame barrier to protect the habitable space inside. The house was set up on an adjacent gas burner test bed, kind of like an oversized barbecue, so the flames, with the wind blowing from behind, would engulf the house in a blaze of fury, much like a real bushfire front. Inside the house, I was kind of expecting to see a family of circa 1950 atomic test style plastic dummies. But of course, in the 21st century, sensors and video cameras can provide far more reliable data. Australia has been devastated by bushfire many times, so to have a house that might stand up to bushfires would obviously attract a lot of attention from the media. News crews flew in, and a film crew from ABC TV's leading science program, Catalyst, were on hand to record the story. So as the countdown began to the big burn, scientists added an extra element of realism by putting leaf litter into the gutters and around the doors. It was from there that two brave souls ventured out and lit the fire. The plan was to burn in stages, with the fire slowly building up to the stuff of nightmares. The control room was a hive of activity, and Justin took a brief moment to explain what was going on.
We're a little past two-thirds of the way through the radiation profile. So we've moved through the gradual build-up phase, and we're starting to get into the steeper part of the curve, where there'll be a fairly rapid ramp-up of the intensity that the house receives before the full flame immersion. 30 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Even standing back in the safe zone, the heat was extreme, and I was sure the house would disintegrate. The blast went on for quite some time, more than the duration of a normal bushfire front. Finally, the test was over, and with the gas now off, the house was left smouldering, but still standing.
We've lost a tube.
From here, everyone was very keen to see what the inside of the house looked like. Overall, it seemed pretty good. Everything was intact, and there was no sign of fire damage. But just how hot it got in there, I wasn't able to tell at a glance without those melted plastic dummies. But CSIRO scientists were soon plugging in their laptops and downloading data for analysis. Well, it's looking a little worse for wear, but the house is still standing. Whether it would be survivable if you'd been inside it, we won't know until Justin and the team have a look at the data. If you'd like to find out more about the bushfire house, check out our website at www.csiro.au.